Howdy folks, today we have a 2008 Takeuchi TL130 skid steer. This thing is a joystick, ready to go, no leaks, no smokes, works like a beauty. I'm going to have it powered up for you guys right now so you can see it in action. Tracks are about 80%, 90% on the tracks, on the rubber tracks here. You won't find no issues with this little skid steer. This thing is ready to work. Let's get it powered up here. You guys can hear the motor run, and you'll see the joys working here. No smoke, no smoke.